I'll be showing you the fastest way to install OpenClaw using Kimi K2.5. You want to open your browser and go to openclaw.ai and make sure that it is the official download page. It looks something like this, and that's the URL. You want to go down here to Quick Start. I'm going to be on Mac, so I'm going to have to copy and paste this and run it in terminal. So let's open the terminal and put sudo before it. Just type out the word sudo and then space and then paste it. So then you can put in your password and then it'll just download quicker. And then it'll install. Okay, when it's finished installing, it'll prompt you. Let's go click on yes, and then quick start. And then we want to use Moonshot AI for Kimi K2.5. And then make sure that you click the .ai because that's for America. And at least I'm pretty sure, but that's what works because when I tried the CN one, it didn't work because I'm pretty sure that's for China. Okay, now you want to head over to platform.moonshot.ai. You want to click login up here and then click get started. Now it'll take you to the account overview. This is going to be your balance and how much that the API key has charged you. You can recharge with as much as you want. Head over to usage limits and we'll start off in tier 0, which is just what everyone starts off in. And as the more money that you add, the more usage that you get. And right here explains your usage. Go over to API keys and you can click create API key, name yours whatever you want. And then select project default, click OK, and then copy the API key. And then I just open a new tab and put it there in case I accidentally close this. And then now you want to go over here and paste it in. Click enter, and then keep current model, which is the Kimi K2.5. So we're actually going to click skip for now because it is a lot easier to set up like later, and you don't really need to set it up unless you really want to talk to it from afar, like on your phone or laptop. Which I actually do. It's just annoying to set up. And then configure skills now, we're gonna click yes. And then install the ones that you want. Right now I don't really need any, so I'm gonna do skip for now. And then it's gonna ask you for a bunch of API keys. This will take a lot of time if you actually go and look for them. So I just click no to all of them because there's not a lot of these that I'll need. And then when it asks me for hooks, I install all of them because they're all very useful. And then you click enter, it should install them. So don't worry if you haven't installed any skills or if you haven't added a way to chat with it outside of this computer. You won't really need it like during your setup, which I actually do skip a lot when I set up. So we can do hatch and TUI, which we'll be able to talk to it in this browser, or I mean in this terminal. And then if we open up the web UI, I don't know why it says recommended here. I really like the web UI just because of the way it looks. So I'm gonna click enter on that. And then it'll take you here and it shows you so many more options. So now we can go to overview, channels, instances, sessions, usage, current jobs, and see everything pretty much. And then go to chat, and then we can just say hello. And you're pretty much done. And now what you want to do is get to know your bot, let it learn your... Make sure you add funds before you actually send your first message. And now you're pretty much done. You have OpenClaw installed. You can do whatever you want with it. And you're done. Now you can install skills and figure out a way to chat with it. You can just ask it, how can I set up Telegram or Discord? And you're done. Thank you for watching this fast tutorial on how to set up OpenClaw. I will be dropping more videos like this. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you.